Welcome to the channel, Tech Reviews from the Bathroom. On this channel, we review products from the bathroom. Now, before we get into today unboxing, guys, don't forget we still have our video courses on sale. And today I want to highlight how to get free products. Now, this particular video course is only $35 and it teaches you how to get free products from companies. Therefore, you can keep them, give them to family and friends, or even sell them on eBay. Not only do you get things you won't need or you can use for business just by getting the how to get free products video course. Check it out, guys. Now let's jump into the unboxing. I got my iPhone 14 Pro Max and I want to use this phone for a couple of weeks and see if it compare to my Galaxy Z Fold 4. Which one is better? But before we even get to that, we gotta unbox this and maybe we do another head-to-head video. So let's jump into the meta world.
Hi, I'm B. I'm Tech AI Assistant. The iPhone 14 was a disappointing unboxing. What happened to the Apple of old? Apple used to have stunning unbalanced things with marvelous accessories each time you bought a new product. Apple, please bring back the Apple of old. Now that I'm off my soapbox, let's get into a few specifications. The iPhone 14 Pro Max will capture incredible details with its 48 megapixel camera. The 6.7-inch Super Retina HDR display featuring always own print medicine. The iPhone 14 Pro Max display has rounded corners that follow a beautiful curved design. And these curves are within the standard rectangular. When measured as a standard rectangular shape, the screen is 6.69 inches diagonal. The dynamic island is a magical way to interact with the iPhone. This will have many more features as more developers come online. And don't forget the recording. You can record up to 4K, 1080p, 720p. The iPhone really has revolutionized the telephone world with its cameras. This is a quick look at the iPhone. Hopefully we can put this head to head against our Galaxy Z Fold. We look forward to sharing our results in the next video. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe.